Hello students, welcome back to TMI's home-based education. So today we are going to start with exercise 1 of chapter number 2, and before this exercise we had done the divisibility of 2, divisibility of 3, divisibility of 9, divisibility of 4, divisibility of 5 and 10. So based on that, the exercise is being given in your textbook. So we are going to solve it. It is on page number 22. So first question is given, that is fill in the blanks. Now in fill in the blanks, the first one is given that 622 is divisible by dash. Now as I had written in the book, you also have to write down the fill in the blanks and the whole exercise in the notebook only. So 622 is divisible by dash is the first question. Now the last digit is 2. So you know the divisibility of 2. The last digit, if the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then it is divisible by 2. So here the last digit is 2. So it is divisible by 2. That is the first one. Second one, 4251 is divisible by dash. Now the last digit is 1, means it is not divisible by 2. We'll check with divisibility by 3. So 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. Means it is divisible by 3. Now any dash number is always divisible by 2. Any dash number means any even number. इवन नंबर क्यों? क्योंकि इवन नंबर मीन्स लास्ट में जब 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 आता है, देन दे आर नोन एज इवन नंबर ऑल्सो. दिस जो कोई भी इवन नंबर होगा दैट विल बी ऑलवेज डिविजिबल बाय 2, बट द कंडीशन इज द लास्ट डिजिट शुड बी व्हाट 0, 2, 4, 6 और 8, देन दे विल बी इवन नंबर्स. Now sum of digit is divisible by dash, then the number is divisible by 3. अब ये तो एक पूरी definition ही हो गई which we had already studied, that sum of digit is divisible by dash, then the number is divisible by 3. So it should be divisible by 3. Sum of digit is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. If the last dash digits of a number is divisible by dash, the number is divisible by 4. It means 4 की divisibility क्या आता है? If the last two digits are zeros or it is divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. So if the last two digits of a number is divisible by 4, the number is divisible by 4. Okay, so I hope there is no doubt regarding fill in the blanks. Now let us move to question number 2, where we have to find out that which of these numbers are divisible by 3. कौन से number 3 से divisible है? So we have to do the whole process what we had studied in the previous video for divisibility of 3. अब divisibility of 3 है तो वहाँ पे क्या लिखना है? Sum of digits is equal to 1 plus 9 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6. So 9 plus 1 is 10, 6 plus 4 is 10, so 10 plus 10 is 20, and 20 plus 3 is 23. Now 23 does not come in the table of 3, therefore what we will write? Not possible, and therefore 19,346 is not divisible by 3. Okay, in that second one is 48,174. Now 48,174 सब में हमें चेक करना है. पूरा क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 we have to find out that whether the numbers are divisible by 3 or not. So what we will write? Sum of digits is equal to 4 plus 8 plus 1 plus 7 plus 4. Now 4 plus 8 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, 13 plus 7 is 20, 20 plus 4 is 24, and 24 is divisible by 3, 3 8 sir is 24. So therefore we'll write 48,174 is divisible by 3. Okay, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमको आंसर आ गया, that's why it is divisible by 3. So total 5 sums are there. From that 2 I had already done. Remaining 3 you have to do it by yourself. Now let us move to question number 3. In that we have to find out if that the number is divisible by 6 or not. In that the first one is 18,436. Now divisibility of 6, just in the last video only you had studied. कोई भी number 6 से कब divide होता है? When it is divisible by 2 and 3 both. So first we will apply divisibility of 2. So divisibility of 2 के लिए क्या होना चाहिए? Last digit should be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So last digit is equal to 6. So what we'll write, that 18,436 is divisible by 2. अब 2 से हुआ, then we will move to 3. So that is sum of digits is equal to 1 plus 8 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6. So 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 plus 3 is 16, and 16 plus 6 is 22. Okay, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 3 16, and 16 plus 6 is 22. Now 22 does not come in the table of 3, so what we'll write? Not possible, and therefore 18,436 is not divisible by 3. अभी देखो, एक में डिविजिबल आया है, एक में नॉट डिविजिबल आया है. सो फाइनली हमारा आंसर क्या होगा? देन द फाइनल आंसर विल बी देयरफॉर 18,436 इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 6. डिविजिबल कब होगा? जब वो 2 से भी होगा और 3 से भी होगा, तब वो 6 से होगा. बट हियर बाय 2 इट इज पॉसिबल, बाय 3 इट इज नॉट possible. That's why it is not divisible by 6. Now in that second one, it is 24,189. तो पहले 2 से ही चेक करना है. Last digit is equal to 9, and therefore we can write 24,189 is not divisible बाय 2. जब मैंने 6 की डिविजिबिलिटी समझाई थी तभी बोला था अगर 2 से नहीं होता है तो 3 का नहीं करना है, डायरेक्टली यू राइट डाउन. देयरफॉर 24,189 इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 6. क्योंकि 2 से ही नहीं हो रहा है, फिर वो अगर 3 से हो रहा होगा तो भी वो 6 से डिवाइड नहीं होगा, क्योंकि वो 2 से भी होना चाहिए, 3 से भी होना चाहिए, एंड देन ओनली इट विल बी डिविजिबल बाय 6. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट 2 से ही नहीं हो रहा है तो फिर 3 से करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. डायरेक्टली वी कैन राइट दैट नंबर इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 6. वन मोर सम, that is 78,192. Now again we will start with divisibility by 2. So the last digit is 2, and therefore we can write 78,192 is divisible by 2. Now we'll move to divisibility of 3, that is sum of digits is equal to 7 plus 8 plus 1 plus 9 plus 2. So 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 10 is 25, plus 2 is 27 divided by 3. So we'll get the answer as 9, and therefore we can say that 78,192 is divisible by 3, and therefore 78,192 is divisible by 6, क्योंकि 2 से भी divisible है और 3 से भी divisible है, so finally we can write that the number is divisible by 6. Okay, so that was your question number 3. In that again 5 sums are there. Out of that 3 I had already done. Remaining 2 you have to do it by yourself. Now the last question is remaining, that is question number 4. Question number 4 में क्या दिया? Write the smallest number of 4 digit completely divisible by 9. सबसे छोटा नंबर जो 9 से डिवाइड होना चाहिए, and that should be also a 4 digit number. So this is the rough work which I am doing, that सबसे छोटा जो 4 digit number होगा that will be 1000. Okay, then it will be 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. बट देखो ये 9 से डिवाइड नहीं हो रहा है. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 1005 भी नहीं होगा. 5 plus 1 6, क्योंकि डिवाइड 9 से करना है. So 1006, 6 plus 1 is 7, 1007, 7 plus 1 is 8, and 1008. 8 plus 1 is 9. Means this is the smallest 4 digit number which is divisible by 9. So you will write the question and the answer you will write it as 1008, क्योंकि सबसे smallest 4 digit number बोला है, and that also it should be divisible by 9. So the smallest 4 digit number is 1000. So as we move further, 1000, 1001, 1002, 1003, 4, 5, 6, 7, and finally 8 जब आता है, then 8 plus 1 becomes 9, and it is also divisible by 9. The remaining numbers are not divisible by 9. So this is the final answer for question number 4, and by here we finish exercise number 1 of chapter number 2. In the next video we will learn more about divisibility test, and the remaining sums of question number 2 and 3 you have to do it by yourself. So till then, thank you and take care.